Normal straps, we have no issue locking it down at all. This one, the auto lock, bullshit. Every time we try to tighten it down, it skips. It skips the cam gear, so you have to hold this just to engage it if you can, and it still wants to skip teeth. Yeah, these don't get as tight as the normal straps. They're not a good buy. It's a $13,000 bike I'm trusting these things with. Never again. Do not get these.
We're going to try and tie this down. This one doesn't seem to hold pressure, so it's a little bit tight. Now if I just rock the bike into it, just completely doesn't work. It just slips. Garbage.
Tie down your straps. You gotta come over here and make sure you do it. It's a requirement. That ain't going nowhere.
I took the cover off the side to reveal the spring, and the spring is in a million pieces.
All it does is skip the teeth.